vel equals v naught times exponential. Then see you can give it gives you some commands right here what you should enter. So we're going to do negative CD divided by m times t. And now since this equation is very long and it'll look better to have it on two lines, we're going to make it go onto two lines. So the way you do this is hit space, then give it an underscore, which is pushing shift and then the minus button next to the 0. You do that. Then you hit enter. And then you can continue it by doing plus G times M divided by CD times 1 minus exp, which is exponential, of minus CD divided by M times T. And then close all the parentheses. Then we're all set. So that's the beginning of our if-then statement. Next, we want to do an else statement. So I'm going to bring it back so it all lines up. Type in else. Hit enter. Define what we're saying here. So give a single quote, compute velocity when parachute is deployed. Alright, so now we want to hit enter and enter this equation. So this equation is v naught p equals v naught times exp parenthesis negative cd divided by m times tc. And we're going to do the same thing, give it an underscore. So shift and then minus, which is next to 0. Hit enter. Then do plus G times M divided by CD times parenthesis 1 minus exp of negative CD divided by M times TC. And close both parentheses. Then hit enter. And you can see our equation has been made. Next we want to define what we're doing again. So hit single quote. Then compute velocity after parachute is deployed. Alright, so now we're going to enter another equation. And we want to do vel equals v naught p times exp parenthesis negative cdp divided by m times tc. Oh, I'm sorry, not times tc, times t times t minus tc. Then close parentheses. Do another underscore so we can move on to the next line. Hit enter. Plus G times M divided by CDP times parenthesis 1 minus EXP parenthesis minus CDP divided by M, and then we'll do another underscore, hit enter, and then times T minus TC. Then close all the parentheses, and then hit enter. You can see we have an error here. Oh, I put an equal sign instead of a minus sign in front of the CDP, so you can just change that, and then you're all set. Visual Basic recognizes it as a function. So then go back, and then hit end if, and then end function. And now you've written your code. So then from here, to implement the function, so now we have to return to the spreadsheet. So I'm just going to go back to here. And then we're going to C14, which is this cell right here, and enter this equation. So this equals val, which is our function for our macro, and then A14, and then define all of our variables. G, M, CD, V naught, TC, and CDP, which have all been defined in the first step of our example problem. So hit enter. The result should be 0. Then you click on the cell and double click on the bottom right hand corner, and we get the velocity once the chute hasn't been pulled, and then after 6 seconds the chute is pulled, and you can see that we slow down considerably, which makes sense. So next, we want to input this chart, or this information into our graph. So click on our graph, right click, select data. Now we're going to add another series. So click add. We're going to call this V chute, indicating that our chute has been pulled. So select our x values as our time, and our y values as our velocity with the chute pulled. Do that, click OK, click OK, and we have our second graph made. And you can see here, you can make it a little bigger, and you can see once that 6 seconds is up, when the chute isn't pulled, you continue to fall. When the chute is pulled, you slow down considerably because there's a lot more drag on you. And that's our example of how to do a function worksheet in Excel and in Visual Basic. Thank you very much.